You've just driven off the dealership lot in your dream SUV or hybrid. The sunroof is open, the eco-friendly engine hums quietly, and you're grinning ear to ear. But what if that excitement could keep paying off long after the purchase? That's where the right credit card makes a real difference. In 2025, owning a car isn't just about horsepower, style, or fuel efficiency. It's also about smart financing, earning rewards, and turning every fill-up, road trip, or maintenance check into real savings. Whether you're eyeing a sleek Tesla Model Y, a rugged Ford F-150 Lightning, or a family-friendly Toyota Venza hybrid, the secret to smarter ownership might not be under the hood. It might be in your wallet. Let's explore the 10 best credit cards for car buyers in 2025. These picks go beyond basic cashback. They're designed to save money, earn perks, and even finance your ride interest-free. Buckle up. Number 1. Chase Freedom Unlimited, the all-rounder for hybrid hustlers. Driving a fuel-efficient vehicle like the Kia Niro Hybrid? You're already saving at the pump. Now, pair it with the Chase Freedom Unlimited and earn even more. This card offers 5% cashback on travel through Chase Travel, which includes gas and EV charging, 3% cashback on dining and drugstores, 1.5% on everything else. It's ideal for everyday purchases related to your vehicle and beyond. Why it works? With a 15-month 0% APR on purchases, you can finance upgrades like a roof rack, winter tires, or even pay off your deductible without interest. Bonus: earn a $250 sign-up bonus after spending just $500 in the first 3 months, potentially covering your first car insurance payment. Pro tip: use the 5% travel cashback to book rental cars for road trips or test other hybrids on long drives. Number 2. Capital One Venture Rewards for the luxury SUV Explorer. The Cadillac Lyriq is a luxury electric SUV with an equally refined driving experience. For a car at this level, the Capital One Venture Rewards card is a perfect match. 75,000 miles plus $250 travel credit after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months, 2x miles on every purchase, including dealership payments and add-ons. Why it works: redeem miles as statement credits toward EV charging, luxury rentals, and travel bookings. Hidden perk: Capital One's price drop protection refunds the difference if your Lyriq price drops within 60 days of purchase. Pair this card with a vehicle known for premium comfort, and you'll maximize every dollar spent on your journey. Number 3. Wells Fargo Active Cash, or flat rate simplicity for practical buyers. Reliable and efficient, the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is a practical favorite. The Wells Fargo Active Cashier card complements this with a consistent 2% cashback on all purchases, $200 sign-up bonus after spending $500. Why it works? No rotating categories to track, perfect for maintenance, registration fees, tolls, or parking apps. Bonus tip: combine rewards with Toyota's strong battery warranty, 10 years, 150,000 miles, for peace of mind and pocket-friendly upkeep. Flat rate rewards ensure you're earning back on every vehicle-related cost, no matter what. Number 4. Discover It Cashback, rotating rewards for seasonal savers. Tesla's Cybertruck is futuristic, and so are its charging costs. The Discover It Cashback card gives 5% cashback in quarterly rotating categories like EV charging, gas stations, and wholesale clubs. Great for tires and accessories. 1% cashback on other purchases. Why it works: Discover matches all cashback earned in your first year. So, if you spend $1,500 on a home charger, that's $150 back, doubled to $300. Bonus, 15 months of 0% APER on purchases lets you spread out costs for accessories like toolboxes or a bed liner. Just remember to activate the 5% categories each quarter. Number for City Custom Cash, or tailored rewards for hybrid families. Need a spacious EV for the whole family? The Honda Prologue checks all the boxes. So does the City Custom Cash or card. 5% cash back on your top eligible spending category, up to $500 per billing cycle. 0% APR on purchases for 15 months. Why it works? The card automatically adapts to your highest spending area, whether that's EV charging, hotels, or auto repairs. Match it with Honda's $7,500 EV tax credit. Use the card to prepay taxes, then claim the credit to reduce your out-of-pocket cost. It's a perfect setup for families who travel or commute frequently. Number 6. Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards for the weekend adventurer. Off-roading in the Jeep Wagoneer S. Match its rugged spirit with the flexibility of Bank of America's customized cash rewards card. 3% cash back on a category of your choice, including gas or online shopping. 2% at grocery stores and wholesale clubs. 1% on all other purchases. Why it works? Choose the category that fits your lifestyle, whether that's fueling up or buying off-road gear. Bonus. Earn a $200 bonus after spending $1,000 in 90 days. Preferred rewards. Members get up to 75% more cash back. 0% APR for 15 months on purchases. Great for a lift kit, roof rack, or tent. For adventure seekers, this card makes every trail a bit more rewarding. Number 7. U.S. Bank Altitude Connect the Road Trip Rewards King. The Ford F-150 Lightning is built for towing, power backup, and extended adventures. Enter the Altitude Connect card. 4x points on gas stations, EV charging, and travel $500 bonus after $2,000 spent in 120 days, $30 annual streaming credit. Why it works? Points are worth 1.5C each when redeemed for travel, meaning 10,000 points equals $150 toward your next camping trip. Bonus pairing. Combine with Ford's $7,500 EV tax credit to reduce upfront costs and earn rewards on charging and upgrades. Perfect for those who live out of their truck on weekends. Number 8. City Simplicity or a card. The financing lifeline for new owners. If you're a first-time car buyer or financing a big repair, the City Simplicity or card offers unmatched breathing room. 21-month 0% APR on purchases. No late fees or penalty APRs. Why it works? Pay off your down payment, extended warranty, or car accessories gradually without paying interest. Caution: the card charges 3 to 5% on balance transfers, so it's best used for new purchases. Pair it with the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid and its 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty for low-stress, low-cost ownership. Number 9. Prime Visa for Amazon addicts with hybrids. If you're always on Amazon for car gadgets and groceries, the Prime Visa card is a powerhouse. 5% cash back on Amazon.com and Whole Foods Market. 2% at gas stations and restaurants. $100 Amazon gift card instantly upon approval. Why it works? Buy floor mats, EV charging cables, or maintenance items online and get 5% back. Hidden benefit. Redeem points for Amazon Fresh to stock your car with snacks and essentials before a trip. A natural fit for Corolla Cross hybrid owners or anyone who shops online frequently. Number 10. Capital One Quicksilver Secured for credit builders with EV ambitions. Starting over or building credit, the Quicksilver Secured card offers 1.5% cash back on all purchases. Reports to all 3 credit bureaus. Minimum refundable $49 security deposit. Why it works? Ideal for buyers eyeing a used EV under $25,000, like a 2023 Nissan Leaf. Pair it with the $4,000 federal used EV tax credit to save big. Long-term play, build your credit score, upgrade to an unsecured card, and refinance your car loan within 6 to 12 months. Smart, reliable, and reward-friendly, even if you're just getting started. From high cashback rates and flexible rewards to 0% financing and travel perks, these cards unlock the full financial potential of your ride. Ready to shift your finances into high gear? Hit that subscribe button for more car ownership hacks. And let us know in the comments which car and card combo you're rolling with in 2025. Until next time, drive smart and spend smarter.